Ito hong oath of office, pinapaalala po ni retired Justice Antonio Carpio sa mga mambabatas, sa mga lawmaker na sinasabi o binabahiran po ng katagang pro-China. May update po dyan si Bombo Eman Bombase.
Formal nang tinanggap ni former Supreme Court Associate Justice Antonio Carpio ang hamon ni Senator Rodante Marcoleta para sa isang friendly debate kaugnay ng mga legal na issues sa West Philippine Sea. Itong sinabi ni dating Supreme Court Associate Justice Antonio Carpio matapos matanong sa isang event sa BGC Taguig City. Sinabi ni Carpio na handa siyang harapin ang senadora upang linawin ang mga misconceptions sa soberanya ng bansa. Inilatag din ng dating maestrador ang dalawang pangunahing paksa na nais niyang pagtalunan katulad ng legalidad ng West Philippine Sea, kung mayroon ba talagang West Philippine Sea sa aspetong legal. Matapos questionin ni Marcoleta ang pag-iral nito at ang koneksyon ng KAG o ang Kalayaan Group o Island Group. At maging kung ang Maritime Zone at ang Kalayaan Island Group ay bahagi nga ba ng West Philippine Sea. Ating pakinggan ang pahayag ni retired Supreme Court Associate Justice Antonio Carpio.
Yes, I accepted the challenge to debate this topic. First, the first topic is there legally a West Philippine Sea? In other words, is it in our law that there is a West Philippine Sea? Because Marcoleta is saying there is no such thing as West Philippine Sea. The second is, if there is a West Philippine Sea in our law, are the maritime zones or islands in the Kalayaan Island Group part of the West Philippine Sea? Yun lang, dalawa. Very simple. And I think that will help our people understand the issues involved in the West Philippine Sea.
Samantala, direktang pinaalalahanan naman ni Carpio ang mga mambabatas kabilang na si Senator Rodante Marcoleta na sila ay may sinumpaang tungkulin o oath of office na ipagtanggol ang saligang batas. Ayon pa sa dating maestrado, nakasaad sa konstitusyon na dapat protektahan ng Estado ang maritime o marine wealth sa loob ng exclusive economic zone ng bansa. Ating pangpangkinggan ang tinig ng dating maestrado.
We believe in freedom of expression as long as you do not destroy our country. No? So these are expressions of opinion. We can tolerate that, but it's the duty of the rest of the Filipino nation to voice out also their position. But at the end of the day, those who take their oath of office, they say they will defend the Philippine Constitution. And in the Philippine Constitution, the territory is there. And it says the state shall protect its marine wealth in the exclusive economic zone. We have to protect our exclusive economic zone. That's what's stated there in the Constitution.
Kung maalala, naugat ang hamong ito ng imbitahan ni Philippine Coast Guard Commodore J. Tariela si Senator Marcoleta sa isang maritime domain awareness flight patungong Kalayaan Island Group. Tumanggi si Marcoleta at sinabing nais muna niya makipagdebate kina Tariela, Carpio at maritime expert J. Batumbakal. Para sa Bombo Network News, ito si Bombo Eman Bombase nag-ulat para sa #1 and most trusted source of news and information, Basta Radyo. Bombo.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.